Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to enhance your home security, the GMK Security Camera, a wireless outdoor camera with 2K night vision. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. The GMK Security Camera is designed to keep your property safe while offering cutting-edge features that make monitoring your home easier than ever. It boasts a stunning 2K resolution, providing crystal-clear video quality that captures every detail, whether it's monitoring your front porch or keeping an eye on deliveries at your driveway. What sets this camera apart is its enhanced color night vision, allowing you to choose between vivid full-color and stealthy infrared modes after dark. This means you can easily identify visitors or vehicles without the need for constant manual adjustments. One of the standout features of the GMK Security Camera is its wire-free design. It's powered by both solar energy and a rechargeable battery, which means you won't have to worry about climbing ladders for periodic recharges. This eco-friendly solution not only saves you time but ensures that your camera remains operational without any hassle. Just a heads up, it only operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so keep that in mind during setup. This camera is perfect for families looking to enhance their home security. With its multi-device sharing capability, you can grant access to family members, ensuring everyone stays connected and informed. It's especially useful for monitoring a nursery during nap time or keeping an eye on kids and pets playing outdoors. By managing multiple cameras through one easy-to-use app, you can create a unified safety network that protects your loved ones. The GMK Security Camera also features a two-way talk function, allowing you to communicate with delivery personnel or ward off potential trespassers. Additionally, it includes various alarm modes such as a loud siren and flashing white spotlights, which can be triggered either manually or automatically when motion is detected. This not only acts as a deterrent but also provides you with recorded evidence of any interactions. When it comes to storage, the GMK Security Camera offers free local storage via an optional memory card, supporting up to 128 GB, along with an encrypted cloud service available for a trial period. This ensures your data remains secure and accessible only to authorized users. Furthermore, with an IP65 weatherproof rating, this camera is built to withstand the elements, making it suitable for outdoor installations in any season. For those concerned about activity monitoring, the AI motion detection feature distinguishes between different objects, sending alerts straight to your phone. This is particularly beneficial if you have livestock or pets that you want to keep an eye on. You can customize notification zones to focus on high-priority areas, which helps eliminate unnecessary alerts while ensuring you're informed about significant movements on your property. Finally, the long-range 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi technology guarantees a reliable connection, allowing you to remotely monitor your property without frustrating lag. Whether you're traveling or simply away from home, you can access the live feed anytime through the app, adjusting sensitivity levels or reviewing recorded clips as needed. In summary, the GMK Security Camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security with advanced features and user-friendly design. From families wanting to keep track of their children and pets, to homeowners needing reliable surveillance for their outdoor spaces, this camera offers a versatile solution that adapts to various needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.